Hi guys, my name's Mark and today I just wanted to share my experience working closely together with Sir Genesis. So we reached out with Sir Genesis for him to be able to help us in our Shopee and Shopee ads. The first time that we've been working closely together, I was so impressed for just a few days that he set up our Shopee ads, for just a few days that he would set up our campaigns. At the very first few days, I was so doubtful, really does this person would be able to help us in our Shopee ads? Because in the first few days, we did not see any results. But when we asked him about this one, he would say, "It's okay, sir. Everything would optimize after a few days, after 7 days." And I almost doubted that does he really know what he is doing. And true enough, after a few days that he would optimize our campaigns, after a few days that what he have mentioned, boom, there it is. We did not expect that we're able to achieve this amount of ROAS just because of a few optimizations, just because of few tweaks, just because of few campaign setups. This person was able to bring us unimaginable amount of ROAS. And definitely, not just that, of course, this person is very knowledgeable. He knows Facebook ads, Google ads, all these things. This person was able to help us scale up our business. And of course, definitely, if he was able to scale up our business, definitely you should reach out to him as well so that you could know how you could be able to scale up your business. You're just starting to figure out how you could be able to scale up your business. It's a good thing to reach out to Sir Genesis. So thanks guys, and I hope you're having a good day.